What's up guys, your boy Ahmed Rizzi back again with another video. Today we're playing Alan Wake 2 part, I'm not sure, part 5? Anyways, it's been a long time since I played this game. It's been like 2 months, almost 3 months now. So we're gonna make a quick save and then go for the missions. Okay.
The page from the witch's hut seems to be describing some kind of ritual.
Wait, go back.
Nightingale's heart disappeared from the morgue.
I think you see.
Where is it now?
Yeah, smart
To get into
lady.
the overlap, I need to find Nightingale's heart. Read the line imprinted on it, plus the line on the page to the witch's ladle sign.
What
Then
is
push the heart through the hole
I
in the
just have to
sign.
check something. Just finished? It's all good. We finished that. Okay, we're doing this. Okay, we did this. Nah. Okay. The
I need
heart.
Nightingale's heart to get to the overlap. Where is it?
The cultist leaned close. He was there, but he was risen. Nightingale was there. The opposite of sunspots. Who said that?
That's not it. I don't
The
have what I
opposite
need
of
to
the
find
sunset?
Nightingale's heart. There must be more.
The heart, where it is.
Nightingale's
Okay.
heart. Where is it?
While they played cards in the general store, the witch had stolen his heart. Get out of my house.
Nightingale's heart is at the general store, in a fridge. I need to check the general store for the heart. Casey,
Whoa.
I'm headed to the general store. I think I know how to get
The
into the
mad
overlap.
sound, bro.
Roger that. I followed some ATV tracks in the woods and got a bit turned around.
Did you get lost?
I've only been lost once in my life, Anderson. The years I spent with my ex-wife.
Whoa.
I'll find my way back, don't you worry about
What's
it.
that sound? What's that sound, bro? It's in here, right? Hey, yo. What the hell?
Christ!
You, what the f... This game... I hate this game, bro. For that. You damn monkey. Yeah, take that.
A cultist. A monster. Like
Yeah,
Nightingale.
of course he's a mess. Psychopath. Dumbass nigga. Never ever challenge me again, boy. Okay. Ooh, we got space. What is that? Is that a shotgun? Habibi. Okay. Nothing too crazy. Nothing left here, right? Can I take the shotgun? It has been 2 months I didn't play this game. But I kinda remember the code. I swear to God. I feel like it is 7 3. I don't know, here I'm lost. Probably. I swear to God, it's been 2 months I haven't played this game. I swear to God, I didn't know. Wallahi, you, this is crazy, bruh. Yeah, bro, knowledge. Why am I not having that much ammo? I think I picked shotgun ammo before.
The text on the heart is clearer now. Legible.
Okay, go to the board. Okay. The heart.
Sounds literary. But what does it mean?
I don't know. You're asking someone who doesn't know Saga. Come on. What are we doing now?
I feel like I
Oh,
recognize
okay.
this. The fridge. The heart. I knew it would be here. Like I saw it in a dream.
If there is any
And now we
spread
need to give the heart to the witch.
ammo
Makes total sense.
or shotgun. I need shotgun, bro. I feel like something crazy gonna happen. I told you, bro. Yeah, good aim, you know what I'm saying?
Well, now there's less monsters.
Saga, you're not scared at all? Wait a sec. Okay. Yep. This is the hole. We just put it there. Look at his ugly face. Ugh.
The wave crashed on the far side of the mirror. I brought you the heart, witch. Show me the terror.
Yeah. We challenge you to the duel. Oh no. I'm joking. Yo, I'm joking. I was just joking, bro. I take back what I said. Damn. Why you had to curse? Why is everything red? What the frick is that? Okay, nothing. Are we supposed to go in? Wait a second. Oh, as I was saying, bro, I was just hearing the game's sound. Let me just make. Okay.
Logan?
Whoa.
Logan!
Yo,
Where
Saga.
are you?
Pull yourself together, man. Stop hallucinating.
What the fuck was that?
I don't know.
Logan's back in Virginia.
Yeah.
You're imagining things.
This is some black magic stuff. Or something worse. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. What the freak is that? Who's that?
What was that?
I'm like you, confused.
Did I get turned around? No, this is right.
Huh?
This place is looping. Like a nightmare.
You're right, it's the same place. I guess we can see, but not that much. There is light, there is no lights. Okay. Damn. You don't have to be that scary, man. Are you stupid? I just told you don't scare me out. Bro. Just make me charge the rage and then you see. Who's this? Bruh. Stop harassing my ear, man. What's that?
Here. Nightingale.
Oh. What's that mean? We have to fight him? Do we have to fight him, Saga? Obviously, she's not gonna answer me. It's just a game. Who's this guy? Isn't this guy the face of
They're coming in over a bad
the
signal.
game? Is he the main character or the I'm not sure, bro. I never played the first part, so I'm just blubbling. Ooh.
Nightingale's badge.
Yes, sir. Thank you. We have ammo. What? What's that? Special agent. Nah. You telling me this is his dungeon? It's crazy.
Set to find the light switch. Show me the clicker.
What? What? Bruh. Oh, we teleporting. Never mind. We're not. Is it the same place? Oh, the game is saving. It means something. Who the fuck is that? Yeah, it's just the shot. No, don't go in! Okay, that's him, right? Come in now. Let's go. Sir. Go, Saga, what the fuck?
Get away!
I don't know where to go.
Get to safety.
Okay. He's coming this way, right? Yes, sir. What the frick? This guy is whispering in my ears, bruh. You homophobic. You gay ass nigga. Eat shit, bruh. Woo! Round two, bitch. Go this way, this way. Ugh. Stop harassing my ear, you donkey. Come face me. Swear I'm ready, bruh. You ain't scaring me. Another whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm joking, I'm joking. Oh. You idiot. Don't harass my ear, nigga. Where's the supply? Okay, we got shotgun. Equip this. Ain't no way. What the fuck? No, I'm joking. I was lying, bro. You dumbass donkey. I'm joking. No. Whew. Oh my heart. Oh my god. This Saga, go, Saga. Saga, go, Saga. He can teleport as well, right? This is the second time you catch me like this. Nigga, you haven't learned from your lesson, huh? Die, mother. Astaghfirullah. He doesn't die, bruh. He has 3 lives. That was crazy. That was actually good.
Who are you?
Is this the second main character?
Who are you?
Hear me.
I'm Saga Anderson, FBI. I can hear you.
Cauldron Lake.
Yes.
Does
I'm
it?
at Cauldron Lake.
Oh, okay.
Where are you?
About to escape. In danger.
Easy
Your
game.
presence.
Whoa.
Danger. Thanks. Got it.
What's going on? Oh, he's dead, right? Oh, who's that?
Hey!
Oh, that's him? I mean, we killed the Nightingale. We're
Are
free?
you okay?
No! It's my fault! It got out with my face!
Who got out?
Sir, calm down. I'm gonna need you to take a breath.
He's changed the story. The dark presence. We must
Who's this?
before.
Easy now. First
Easy
things
now.
first. What's your name?
My name is Alan Wake.
Whoa!
I'm a right.
Yo! This is him?
Where did you come from?
Casey know him.
You've been missing for
Right?
13 years.
Casey knows him. Where is Casey?
13.
13 is crazy, bruh. And he doesn't look old. The end of the chapter. Yes, sir.
Anderson, where did you go? All of a sudden the radio stopped working and then that flooding just disappeared.
Yes, sir.
Crazy.
That was my work. I just beat the boss.
Is this who I think it is?
Oh, you already know.
Casey, say hello to Alan Wake.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Wake, this is Special Agent Alex Casey. He'll escort you to our car. Casey, I'll meet you there, right after I take a look around. If the flooding's receded, there might be evidence we missed earlier.
Okay. See you there.
Bye-bye. Reload. Ooh. Supply. Huh? What we got? Okay. That's okay. We got this. What's this mean? Like, what's it giving me ammo? I mean, it doesn't matter. It just gave me one. Okay, this game saved. Is there something? Why there is a sound? Whoa, I knew it. Come, nigga. Whoa. Why is it running like pussy? Beat
Even the animals are
in the head, nigga. Don't ever challenge me. I just beat your boss, nigga. Who do you think you are? What can I say? I'm too good. I will say that, and then I will get in the future. I will get folded. We have to do the mines thing or something. No, we're done, right? Oh yeah, we have to.
Nightingale goes missing for 13 years, shows up murdered, and then turns into a monster. After I stop Nightingale, a rider who's also been missing for 13 years turns up.
Saga, create something new. We already heard that. I don't know the saga. I swear to God. I'm just reading. Okay, I'm just gonna try. Okay. Okay, thank you. What is this?
The
Red.
rider went into the lake, banished the dark presence. Taken still lurked in the woods. The dark place receded. The current pulled back those with darkness inside, into the lake. Nightingale was there.
Bruh, I don't have time
One
for
of them.
this. Thank you. Thank you for writing the story down, brother. Okay, there's nothing. Literally nothing. Okay. We just have to go to the shortcut. Been last time. Is it? I swear I thought there is another boss fight. I was gonna cry. Nah, hell no. I ain't crying, boy. Come face me, nigga. Okay, I feel like we have to do quick save. Yeah, thank you. I feel like we don't need to do that because the game does it for us. Saga, I think you can, you know, just put the gun back. Equip whatever you had before. How can you like... Okay, whatever, man. Just go to the general store. There is literally a shortcut from here. Yeah. The crazy thing is, after 2 months, I swear to God, I'm not lying, guys. After 2 months, coming back and still remembering the code of the shotgun, it was actually crazy. What the frick? Do you have a loot? Oh, thank you! Okay. Let me just check in.
Warning. Activity detected. AWE.
What's that mean?
Event in progress. Cauldron Lake. What's an AWE?
I don't know. I
Casey.
just asked you.
What exactly does the FBC do?
After New York, when I started looking for our friend here, their name came up. I pushed them for any files they had on him, but got stonewalled. They have a reputation of showing up for weird shit.
Hey, don't curse, man.
Here, and now we find our writer. How about that?
I mean, I don't care. I will not cut him out. Unless if I curse. Okay, we're out, right? Okay, thank God, bruh.
Mr. Wake, we're taking you back to our field office in Bright Falls.
Bright
You
Falls.
can freshen up there, and then we'll talk properly.
Yeah, check on the daughter.
Hey, Mom. Before you say anything, I'm totally fine. Don't freak out. Dad shouldn't have even texted you.
Logan? No one texted me. What's going on?
I'm totally fine. I slipped, that's all. God, it's not the end of the world.
Put your father on the phone.
What's the father doing?
Okay.
What a terrible father.
It's Mom.
Don't worry, hon. Logan slipped in the shower and bumped her head. She has a slight concussion, but I'm keeping an eye on her.
Damn.
Lucky I heard her fall. She could have drowned.
Jesus, David. Why didn't you call?
Tried. It didn't go through. She's fine, really.
That was in the chat.
Just weird case, that's all.
Well, if you need a hint, my years of board game victories tell me Colonel Mustard did it.
Okay.
I'll keep an eye out for him. Love you, Dave.
Love you too, honey.
Just tell her I love her. Bye for now.
Nice. The best detectives, bro. Alan Wake. What's he going through? What's wrong with him?
Is there anyone you'd like us to reach out to, Mr. Wake? You've been gone a long time.
No. No. They'd be in danger. It'll come for me.
Okay, let's talk about something else. Robert Nightingale. Do you know him? You were both here in 2010.
The Dark Presence got him back then.
The Dark what?
That's the last time I saw him. 13 years.
Ooh.
Fuck me.
Tell us about the pages. You had what looks like a title page with you. Return. Is this the name of the story on these pages?
Ooh.
The writer's name has been scratched out pretty violently, but your name can still be made out underneath.
He's the writer, right?
Scratched out. Yeah. Scratch.
Bro, if there is the first part, why did I start with the second part? I swear to God I didn't play the first part. Okay. I need to download the first part. I'm just gonna play it off scene and then understand the game better.
Did you write these pages, Mr. Wake?
I'm trying to remember. It's a crazy jumble, like a nightmare.
What?
It doesn't make sense.
What doesn't make sense, bro? Do you remember or not? Oh, you need the light? Take him there. Huh? What's that? What's that on the floor?
I remember.
Oh. I told you the light would work. Oh no, it's not the light. What's that? Probably some soap. Whoa, where are we going? This game is crazy good, bro. I cannot believe this is a scary game. Has he gone back in the time? Or is he remembering? Or is he remembering and then he in that? I don't know what's going on. To my question, and then my camera about to die, so I just have to charge it. Late night.
Oh, fuck. Was I in a talk show tonight? Waking up
Huh?
in places with no memory of how I'd gotten there. It was out of control.
Why can I see my reflection on the mirror?
Shot in the fucking tabloids.
What?
Had
What
I
is this?
done the show? Was that a recording?
Am I not supposed to go there? Let me try. Yes, from here. Oh, it's locked. Yo! Are we watching a movie? Damn! Whoo! Game to movie. I'm telling you guys, this game is good.
Good to see you, Alan. Good to see you. Welcome back to the show. Come on, sit down. Woo! Oh, man. It is so good to see you, Alan. This must be an exciting time for you. Tell me, does it ever get old?
What exciting time. You see him pretty confused. The man is trying to remember his memories. And you just pressing on him.
So does what get old?
Publishing a new book.
Funny.
Are you okay there, my friend? You look like you've been cooped up in the writer's room for a few too many years.
Who's those? Pirates? What is this? Old gods of Asgard?
This is exactly how I feel.
You know, I've waited so long to get my hands on the sequel to Departure. You left us on quite the cliffhanger. We've all been dying to know what "it's not a lake, it's an ocean" really means.
You and me both.
Well, our wait is over. Your new book, Initiation, hits the shelves tomorrow.
Damn, how many books?
What?
That's exactly what every reader will be asking. This book is mind-bending. It's so cerebral. I mean, how would you describe it?
Does he know it?
Fictional thought experiment, a horror story.
The guy looks surprised, bro.
Detective story.
Wait. This isn't right. I haven't written anything.
He's so humble.
Okay, you got me.
I don't feel comfortable with this guy, bro. He has... I think he's hiding something.
Good prank, very funny. But yeah, sad to say, I've not written this. I'd remember if I'd written a book, right?
Or maybe it was written by your evil devil. Ah, well played, man. That is spot on. Playing the role here. Pretending the world of the book overlaps our own. It's very meta indeed. You see, Initiation tells the story of a fictional writer named Alan Wake, who is trapped in a nightmare, desperately trying to find the manuscript of a novel he has forgotten he has written. The book is set in New York, but it might not be New York at all. He is tormented by his dark doppelganger, guided by visions of a fictional detective he has written. That's right, Alex Casey is in this book as well.
Oh.
I guess we'll just keep doing this the whole show. The joke's on me.
But isn't that what you sign up for with autofiction? No, but seriously, I found the structure of the reality you build in the book fascinating. It reminded me of The Matrix. I mean, the writer is physically in his writer's room, trapped there, and he projects himself out to this dark dream of New York through the story he is writing.
Oh.
Like astral projection. Did I get that right?
Yeah, that's exactly right. Go on. I should be taking notes here. This is great stuff.
Notes to that other Alan Wake in that room writing this as we speak? Are we all in your story, Alan?
Probably.
No, I wish you every success with your new book, Alan. I hope it's as successful as your best-selling Alex Casey series. Initiation
Thank you.
hits the shelves tomorrow. After this, I'm sure we'll all be eagerly awaiting the culmination of this hero's journey trilogy of yours. A book called
Returns, perhaps. Oh.
Yeah. Thank you for one of the strangest interviews of my entire career, Alan.
Hey, man. Watch your mouth. You seen the Joker? What he did to the man? You want to be the same? You want to catch that guns? You want to catch these hands?
Always talk of meta-narratives.
I ain't Joker. Or am I? Whoa, what happened? Hello? Hi? Where are we going?
I'm losing it. Something's not right here. I needed to get home. To Alice.
Okay. Let me play this piano first. Oh, I cannot. Okay, sorry. Exit.
What the hell was that interview? Some kind of joke? Initiation? I never wrote a book called Initiation. This felt like a bad dream.
Probably you did and you forgot it.
Horror story.
Okay.
Old Gods of Asgard. That name sounded familiar.
Where? Where is it? Yeah, it is familiar. We just saw it on the drum. 5. What's this? Mr. Dawn.
I was a mess. I'd never heard of this talk show or Mr. Door before. None of it felt right.
Door.
Was I losing my mind?
His name is Door? Mr. Door? Okay. Wait.
Hey! I think I've been locked in.
Code?
Anybody?
Fuck. Now I have to find the code myself.
Okay.
Great.
Let's start from here. Thing is here. We just have to get numbers, not words. Wait. We just saw the Asgardian room, right? That room. It says 665, right? Let's try it. Okay. I'm too smart, bro. I'm too smart for this game. I don't feel comfortable, so I'll close it. What is that? Okay, nothing here. The game hasn't given me... Whoa.
There was something in the studio with me.
I agree to that. The game hasn't given me any gun yet. Okay. Whoa. See, I knew it. That's why I was gonna close the door. He's dead. You ain't scaring me, man.
Waking up from the nightmare, I
New
felt
chapter?
like a drowning man gasping for air.
Gasping for air.
This place felt familiar.
Skibidi
The
toilet.
ghost of a memory surfaced.
Isn't this the... Oh, it is. The same as Alan...
For mapping out a story.
Alan, I said. Saga's mind...
Cards, the nightmare that just
Bro, can I speak? Saga's mindset, mind place, right? We know that she has a radio. No, beside the radio, there is a script. When we play the script, yeah, this is the same place, the same voice as well. It's him.
Warnings. I had written them. I couldn't remember what it all meant.
Bruh, this game doesn't make any sense to me. So if anyone played this game, please write down on the comment what did I miss, or like keep short notes, like was I mean short story of the game. Or if you don't wanna, just don't. I guess I'm just gonna play either way and then find out.
I could trust these words. I had to act on them.
Yes, sir.
You must write to escape.
Okay, we just have to sit here, be like a psychopath. What is this, the goal? Get back to writing. Oh, brother's trapped here. He has nowhere else to go except writing, sitting his ass and writing the book.
I didn't remember much, but I knew my thoughts and ideas could manifest as reality in this dark place. I'd use my writing to project myself out of this room. Like a deep sea diver to go deeper and explore the depths of this prison for a way out. This room was my boat. Writing was my lifeline.
Damn.
I would start again at the talk show.
You ain't scaring nobody. I'm gonna get cooked every time I say that. We back again here? Should I end it here or go? Go, brother, go. But
Welcome back to the show.
this is exactly my face when I'm playing this game.
So, Alan.
Oh, Casey.
As the creator of the character, how do you feel about this?
About what?
Sorry, what? I know it can be an awkward question with the man sitting right next to you, but how do you feel about him?
He look exactly like the game character.
Role of Casey, does he look the part to you?
Yeah. What the freak? Why doesn't he?
He looks exactly like I always imagined Casey to be. It's uncanny.
Thank you. That means so much to me. I'm a huge fan of your books.
So, what's the problem, Alan? Because on more than one occasion, you've voiced your reservations about the adaptations.
It's not that. They're their own thing. They've gone with choices that are different from mine. I feel protective about my stories, and these adaptations... I don't know. I guess I just wish I could have been more involved in making them.
Well, in that case, you won't have seen this either. We have a clip from the new film, Murder Case Casey.
Huh?
Should we roll it, or do you want to say something first, Sam?
Nah, just roll it.
All of these fake fans clapping in the background. What was so funny about that? He just said roll it. Pause though.
This city was an old scar that refused to heal. The
Damn.
rain would fester. It needed the sun, but there was only the night.
Batman, is that you?
I was tired. Insomnia covered me like a plastic film. I was watching the world through a rain-slick window. My own reflection haunting the view. I was trying to track down a missing writer. My only clue was a table lamp, shaped like an angel. The only thing to shed light on this sordid mystery.
Why is he smiling?
That's great. Murder case, Casey. Great job, Sam. Very exciting and very meta. I'm looking forward to seeing more.
Wait, stop.
Why making that face?
About a writer. About a lamp.
Bro, I think Alan is losing it. You know? Probably, hey. He might be, you know? Or he's too into the dark. I don't know what I'm saying. That's what I'm understanding, bro. You cannot blame me, you know? I didn't play the first part. Same. 665. Huh? Huh? What am I lacking, bro? 5, 6, 5. Is that 6, 5? Okay. 5, 6, 5. Okay. 5, 6, 5. Okay. 6, 5. Okay. 5. 5, 6, 5. I have that mindset. Okay, close the door. I don't trust this game. Okay.
Hello?
If there's any beast, we run this way. Or we can run that way. Yeah. I'm kinda curious. What if I open that door and see who's behind it? Janitor office. Oh, it's just a guy.
There you are, Tom. Oh, not so much evil, that not a bit of good as well.
You have an accent.
Without the other.
I like it.
Good to see you.
Good to see you, Mario.
Hey, I can't seem to find my way out of here. Can you point me to the exit?
Yes, please.
Helvetissä.
What's that mean?
Of course, Tom.
Hey. You too, nigga. The hell, whatever he said.
Work will instruct its maker. I was gonna get something from the basement for you, but you can get it yourself now. The more cooks, the worse the soup.
Huh? I'm sorry, have we met?
Before? Are you trapped in the dark place too?
You remember Ahti, the janitor? You can't be lost if you don't worry about where you are headed. So don't worry.
What?
The sun will shine even into a heap of twigs. Just remember to turn on the lights. It won't take long when you get to work.
He has a point on that. But, nigga, do I know you? Okay, what's in the basement?
You want me to get from the basement? And my name's Alan. Not
Tom.
A man, but a man with a tool makes two, Tom.
Huh?
And a man with a tool can build his own exit. It's in a shoebox, in the basement where you left it. Safe as in the Lord's purse. Here's the key.
Is it? What kind of tool is he talking about? Is it a wand? Abracadabra. How can I
I've been
escape?
trying to find a way to escape the dark place. Any suggestions?
He who mouths about his troubles is the prisoner of his troubles.
Oh,
It's not easy
bars.
to get out. But don't you worry, Tom. The home is still there where the heart is.
Brother, my name is not Tom. It's Alan Wake. You remember that?
An old lamp in a shoebox.
Oh, what is
Was
this?
this what the janitor had left for me?
Ooh. Damn.
The lamp felt significant. A tool for bringing light to the darkness.
Oh. That's a tough thing you have there, bro.
I felt a magnetic pull between the lamp and the light overhead.
Use the angel lamp to move lights and create a way forward. Whoa, that sounds crazy.
Whoa! When the light jumped into my lamp,
We can
the room
teleport?
changed, like something in a dream. Opening a way forward, the lamp was
Please
humming.
don't tell me we're facing another boss.
It held the light now.
This is a cow. Me. There was something here.
I felt another surge.
Okay.
The glow in the lamp went out, shifting the light in the room.
I have the power of an angel, nigga.
New from the darkness.
Where are we going?
The dark place wants to drown me. I'm losing myself. I have to fight it. I have to remember the clicker, the light switch. I lost it, but I have the lamp now.
Brother's going crazy.
Was cut from. This place is a nightmare. Not real, and yet more real than anything. The danger and the horror real. It feeds off my mind, twisting whatever it takes into psychotic reality.
Damn, bro. Just breathe, bruh. Remember what the janitor told you. He who moans about his problems cannot escape this prison. He said that, right? Okay. I don't quite remember, but I almost got half of it.
I've tried this many times, written countless stories.
Damn.
I keep failing, but I must keep trying. I use the story to dive deeper. Every word I write is a step forward.
Is he watching himself?
In the darkness. I dive to the body to find the answer, the map, the key, the
Yeah. Bro, look at his face, man. The end of the part. I'm gonna end it here. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and let me know what you like about this game, bruh. And also, like, leave some tips for me and some advice. Advice? Bruh, are you serious? Anyways, see you guys on the next episode. The next episode will be Red Dead. Yeah, Red Dead. We're just gonna continue Red Dead. Bye. Peace. Bye. Love you guys.